guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my IPSY Glam Bag Plus, and you guys just saw Mr. Minners come in over there. You want to say hi real quick? Alright, that's enough. So today I am unboxing my IPSY Glam Bag Plus, and it's a little bit more exciting now because they're actually doing, you pick 3 of the 5 items in your Glam Bag Plus, which I think is pretty cool. In true fashion, I don't remember what I picked. Have no clue, and it's only been like what, a couple weeks since I picked that. I'm not sure, but I'm really excited to dive in. And I also think that this time it's like a little drawstring bag and it's not like a makeup bag. I don't really mind that. I mean, I feel like I give away probably more of the bags than I actually keep for myself. I don't mind giving them away to people, but you know, do I really use 300 makeup bags? No. So it's in this big mailer envelope. Let's go ahead and pull this out. I actually think this is pretty cute. It's got like glittery lettering, little gray drawstrings. There is something in the bubble mailer as well. So this is the Complex Culture powder brush? Yes. Oh, plush powder brush. These are really, really beautiful brushes, and I'm gonna do some close-up of the items, so hopefully that will look a little bit better and we'll keep the color in here a little bit more consistent. But these brushes are absolutely stunning. Oh my god, this feels so good. I want all their brushes, and I think their products just have this beautiful look to them. I'm a sucker for packaging, and I have to say, a lot of times I look at stuff and I'm like, ooh, I want it for the packaging. And that is true for this, but I can say I have 3 of their brushes and they are amazing. So it's not all packaging, I promise. With these, they're actually like beautiful products as well as beautiful, like aesthetically pleasing products as well. This feels amazing. Like, it's definitely soft, but it's not too soft. It definitely feels like it's got some density to it. It's got some weight to it. The brush feels really nice. Ferrule's kind of heavy. The stem is not, so you can definitely hold it here and it will kind of do the work for you. You don't have to like smash this into your face. You can just lightly let the weight of it kind of set your face, if that makes sense. It just feels like a beautiful brush. I'm so happy to have this. All right, let's get into the bag. And I did mention before, but this is the $25 IPSY bag. Looks like we got a palette. Oh, this is so fun. So this is by Estate and Bailey Sarian, which I love her videos. I'm not alone. Like, so many people watch her mystery, makeup, murder, what is it called? Makeup, murder, mystery. Anyway, so she did a collab with Estate Cosmetics, and I am probably most excited about this because it's her collab, but I love her. She is the cutest and she has really interesting videos and her makeup skills are on point. So this is the outside of the packaging. I'll show you at a distance and then again I'll put some close-ups in. Oh wow, maybe I haven't looked at pictures of this palette, but I thought that the pans were smaller, but it is beautiful. I feel like you could use some of these as blush too. So these are the colors here. You've got some very neutral, some warmth to it, gold, purple, and then there's a really, really dark shimmer. Now these kind of colors that are really dark and they're metallic or shimmer, I don't typically go for them, but I'm gonna find a way to use all the shades in this palette for sure. I feel like this shade is really calling my name. Like, summer into fall, some like brighter orangey browns can be really pretty, and yeah, beautiful. So I don't know, I'm not really feeling this purple shade, but if you're a purple person, you definitely will. You got something really wearable in tan lines for the crease, so I cannot wait to play with this. I'm definitely gonna do some looks with it, and yeah, I'm so excited that she did a collab. And I've never used Estate Cosmetics. I feel like maybe I've had one product from them. Maybe I gave it away. I don't remember, but I do not remember using any of their products, so I am really, really excited to do so. I got the IPSY London Black Magic Mascara for Drama and Curl. I need some drama. I mean, I'm pretty drama free, so that's the kind of drama I want in my life, dramatic lashes. So I'm really excited to try this as well. I feel like IPSY has some pretty good products. I've only tried a few, but I had a liner from them that I thought was really, really good. So I think I'm gonna give this a try. I mean, I feel like lately I'm in the mood to try mascaras, which normally I'm not, but I'm kind of doing this thing where like, look, I try it a few times, and once the like freshness of it starts to wear away, if I still don't like it, toss it. It's not happening. I don't love it, but I think I want to give this one a try. We're gonna see. I had 6 products. I thought it was only 5. You know what? I think I got this other Complex Culture brush with my points. Totally forgot about that, but I'm pretty sure I redeemed this. I'm gonna look on my app really quick just to be sure that I'm telling you guys the right thing. Yes. So I redeemed this like over a month ago, that's why I don't remember it, but it's the all over eyeshadow brush from Complex Culture. Once again, their brushes are just stunning, beautiful, very happy to have it, and it feels really nice. I can't remember which brushes I have, but I am getting a collection, and honestly, anytime I see one of their brushes that I don't have, I'm like, it's mine, snatch it up. Claimed. All right, what else? We got from Illamasqua. This is the Loaded Lip Polish in the shade Glaze. I think this is a clear lip gloss. Oh, shoot. My liquid lip is getting a little dry, so I'm just in a mood. I'm dirtying up this wand right away. It was bound to happen eventually, you know? So that's cute. I mean, I want to see it on its own for sure, but over this liquid lip, it's really nice. It's got a shine to it. I wouldn't say it's like high shine, but you can definitely see that my lips look juicier. It's actually going with that lip really nicely. Like, you know how I feel like some glosses and lip products, they either really work together or they break apart the liquid lipstick, and this feels like it's just like melting it back together. I like, it's cute. We have one more product. This is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Lipstick, and this is in the shade Feminist. So I will go ahead and show you guys a close-up and do a swatch of this as well so that you can see it. But I really like the formula of the Demi Mattes. It's got like a shiny finish to it. So it starts off really shiny, but it does kind of like dry down to more of a creamy finish in my opinion. But I really love this formula, and Huda lips in general I think are really good. So yay, I'm happy to have that as well. I don't think my Glam Bag Plus could have gotten much better. I'm super excited for the palette. The brush is just amazing. You really can't go wrong with a clear gloss. And then of course we got the Huda lip, which I'm thrilled to have that as well. And you know, I'm not usually very stoked for mascaras, but I am definitely keen to give this one a try. And my little point reward of this other brush is amazing as well. I think this is a really good Glam Bag Plus, and honestly I think that this brush retails for over $25 by itself. I know that the palette probably will as well, so this is a total win in my opinion. So let me know what you think about this bag, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like, and also check out my Charlotte Tilbury mystery unboxing. There's a giveaway in that, and I also have a giveaway going on my Instagram that runs all the way through the end of August, so be sure to check those out, and I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye guys!